I kept you waiting, huh? I'm known as Haikan Ninja J. I was summoned here by a certain organization. Normally, I operate in the shadows of history. Due to special circumstances, I've been asked to train some rookies. It seems this industry is seriously short on manpower. This time, we'll be covering the very basics, specifically how to take measurements. It's planned as a two-part series. In this video, we'll go over the absolute fundamentals, starting with elbow reversal. In the second part, I'll explain vertical piping using a T-fitting. This video focuses on PVC pipes like DV and TS, but the same basics apply to other types too, so it should still be useful. Got a request for a different pipe type? Leave a comment and I might cover it next.
So I need to connect this pipe over here. Let me stick in a straight pipe for now, then place the elbow. Something like this.
Hey, what the hell are you doing?
Huh? I'm trying to measure the length of pipe I need between these elbows. You startled me.
Now it's all out of alignment. Jay, can you hold that side for me?
Don't go blaming others, rookie. You're trying to get the cut length, right?
Yes.
In that case, just measure the distance between the straight pipes, from center to center. Then subtract the extra length. That gives you the cut length.
Wait, hold on. How do you measure center to center? Do you just kind of guess? And what exactly is this extra length you're talking about?
Relax, I'll explain. First, measuring center to center. If the pipes are the same size, you can measure from the outside of one to the inside of the other. It's easy and accurate.
220 millimeters. Got it. Yeah, that makes sense with the same pipe size. What if they're different diameters?
Then subtract half the difference in their outer diameters.
But nominal size and outer diameter aren't the same, right?
Correct. For example, 50A has an outer diameter of 60 millimeters.
Yeah, nope. I don't remember all that. And I'm not doing math like that on site. Way too much work.
A real plumber would have that stuff memorized. But fine, there's a trick even you can use. I'll explain that later. Now let's move on. You asked about the extra length, right?
Yes, please.
The fittings have standardized dimensions. You can look up the length in the spec sheet.
I've seen other guys check that. I just never asked what they were doing.
For a DL fitting, the Z dimension is the extra part. With 50A, Z is 33 millimeters. So 220 minus 33 times 2, that's 154 millimeters. That's your cut length.
Oh, I see. What about other fittings like a T? Are those the same?
Basically, yes. But depending on which part you're connecting to, the extra length can change. For Ts, that's where the LT dimensions come in. Look at Z1 and Z2, see how different they are?
This is starting to get complicated.
Well, it's a more complex shape than a DL after all.
But Z1 and Z3 are the same.
Good eye. That part is shaped like a long radius elbow. Of course, if it's a reducing T, the values will change again.
This is too much. I can't remember all this. Not just the pipe sizes, but which side of the fitting changes things. No way I'm memorizing all that. Anyway, I've got work to do, maybe next time.
Now hold on. Didn't I say there's a way to handle this, Evan, for you?
You did, but seriously?
Haikan Pipit. It's a smartphone app.
Wait, is this some kind of piping game? It's 3D too?
Not a game, but it's just as easy to use. First, open the pipe catalog and select a fitting. Check its shape and dimensions.
Whoa, this looks super realistic. Even someone like me, who barely remembers the names of fittings, can find what I need.
Come on now. Well, at least learn the common ones using this app.
I'll do my best.
Once you've found the fittings you'll use, set them on the left and right sides. Next, select the measurement points and enter the measured length. In this case, from the outer edge of one pipe to the inner edge of the other, it was 220 millimeters, right? Then the cut length shows as 154 millimeters, same as the one we calculated earlier.
Ooh.
The basic steps are the same with other fittings too. The only difference with Ts or reducers is that you can change the connection ports.
Whoa, this is amazing.
Even you can handle this.
Absolutely. This is gonna boost my work efficiency for sure. And I'll have time left to play games.
Lucky you.
With Haikan Pipit, you can get cut lengths just by picking fittings. It's Pipit easy.
And it's free to use.